Hi friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel ABC Code. Today I'll be discussing about one very common exceptions we face during the executions of Selenium automation. Here it's a very simple code. There I have created one Chrome driver, and then there is few XPaths, and I've defined one method to log in. It will just provide the user ID, and then it will click on the next. It's not fully login, but we are expecting that when we will be clicking on the next button, it will be asking for password. This is the thing. If I run this method, then see, it has started the browser, then it got disappear, and it throws an exception. This we see very commonly during the executions of Selenium automation. Now you need to understand how to read an exception. Whenever you are reading an exceptions, you should start reading after the last this reference line. Since you have to start reading the stack trace. At the very beginning, you can see it is saying that it's got an exception, and the exception message is session not created. Okay, this version of ChromeDriver only support Chrome version 99. So as you know, while we creating an WebDriver browser, it takes a ChromeDriver executable as a reference. Okay, and then it creates. Now the problem is I have one ChromeDriver executable in my path, but that version support only Chrome browser version 99, whereas in my system the browser version is 1.03.0.5060. So how can you see the browser version? You can see like this. If you just if you just go to the help about Google Chrome, then you can see this is the version, and the code is also showing the same thing. That means the exception is giving the correct correct information, right? So we need to upgrade our ChromeDriver version. Now the problem is sometimes many users I have seen that they do not know where the ChromeDriver is located. Yeah, there are two way. One is while you are creating the browser instance or the WebDriver instance, that time if you click on Control P in command in Windows system, you can see the parameter it supports. So here is the executable path. So there you can also provide the ChromeDriver executables path. Otherwise, you can add, in case of my system, I did not provided the argument value here, so that means it's taking the informations from my path variable. Now how can you understand where your ChromeDriver executable is located? For that, you need to go to the command prompt, and there you can search for this. Like here, the command is where ChromeDriver exe. Now you can see it shows a path where the ChromeDriver executable is located. The location is this browser driver folder. We can also check this path command. There you can understand that what are the directory is added into your path variable. Okay, so here you can see this. Here you can see that is install program and the browser driver. This path is added into your path variable, right? There is another way to check your environment variable. You can go to start button and search for edit the system environment variables. Okay, there you can click and environment variables. Then you can see there is two options. One is for our my user ID, another one is for whole system. This path variable, open this, and here you can see there is okay, so we'll be going to that location in my system and check. So this is the location of the that I have seen in my path variable. Okay, so there I have one ChromeDriver executable. Now I will be creating a backup of it, and I will be taking the new version. So I'm giving 99 as it's just supporting 99 version only. So system, I will search for this ChromeDriver. Install and download ChromeDriver. So check this URL from where you are downloading the ChromeDriver. It should be the ChromeDriver, the chromium.org. And there you can see that if you are using Chrome version 1.0.3, please download this version. So we are using this version 1.0.3, so we should download this version only. And we will be downloading for Windows. So this is the downloads, and paste that here, and then we will extract that here. So now we have the updated version of ChromeDriver, which is actually compatible with our Chrome browser version. Okay, now we'll again run this code. Let's see what happens. So it is working fine, providing the user ID. Now it's clicking on the next, and you can see a message which is Google is showing. That's why I did not provide the password and try to log in fully here, because Google does not allow any automated software to log in into their website. So this is the security features they are providing. Okay, however, if you are still interested on how we can log in into Google using automation, so we have a workaround I will be discussing in future video. Thank you for watching this session. Hope it will be helpful to you. See you later. Bye bye.